Hi friends, my name is Viri coming to you from the Children's Museum Houston. Today I'll be reading Happy All Year by Keith Baker with the permission of Simon & Schuster Children's Publishing, and this story time is sponsored by the Houston Pi Beta Phi Foundation. Happy All Year. January. Happy January. Let's get going. Grab your mittens. Hooray, it's snowing. February. Happy February. Deliver Valentines. Count to 28 or leap to 29. Happy March. Wear a touch of green and look for leprechauns on day 17. April. Happy April. Walk through squishy mud. Splash in every puddle. Behold a flower mud. Happy May. Grease up the rusty bike. 2 flat tires. Who wants to take a hike? June. Happy June. Pack school's over. Clean out your messy desk. Roll in summer clover. July. Happy July. Chase the fireflies. Roll out the sleeping bag and watch the sparkling skies. August. Happy August. Bait a fishing hook. Nap in cool shade and reread your favorite book. September. Happy September. Grab paper and a pen. Greet your eager teachers. School begins again. October. Happy October. Carve a toothy smile. Rake out all the leaves and jump in every pile. November. Happy November. Open the sidewalk gate. Welcome all your guests. Fill every empty plate. And December. Happy December. Tie a shiny bow. Light a glowing candle and drink some cocoa. Now gather all around and pull each other near. Together we will have another Happy New Year. The end. I know 2020 was very different, but like the book says, there's always something good to look forward to through the entire year. My name is Vidiana, and I wish you a very happy new year.